Good morning, dear kids. Today we are going to learn a new topic, my home. Children, kindly take the page number 22. Do you know the meaning of home? A home is the place where we can live. All living beings such as animals, birds, humans need a place to live. It keeps us safe from sunlight, wind, rain, natural disasters. That's why all living things need a home. There are different types of houses around us. We will learn about it later. Students, let's learn the different rooms in a house. They are living room, dining room, kitchen, bedroom and bathroom. We can learn more about it one by one. Living room. The living room is where the family gathers. It is also used for entertaining guests, reading and watch television. The second one is dining room. Dining room is a room for consuming food. Then the third one is kitchen. A room where food is prepared and cooked. Then bedroom. A room used for sleeping. The last one is bathroom. A room for personal hygienic activities. Now take the next page, page number 23. Here is an activity for you. What do you do where? Match the parts of the house with the pictures. First one is bedroom. We sleep in the bedroom. So draw a line from here to the bedroom. Bathroom. We take a bath in the bathroom. Draw a line from here to the bathroom. Dining hall. We eat food in the dining hall. So draw a line from here to the dining hall. Living room. We sit together in the living room. So draw a line from here to the living room. And the last one is kitchen. We cooked food in the kitchen. Draw a line from here to the kitchen. Okay? Now we move on to the next page, number 24. Listen children, where do you find these things in your home? Write K if found in the kitchen, B if found in the bedroom, L if found in the living room and BR if found in the bathroom. Can we start? This is a gas stove. It is found in the kitchen. So you write K here. This is a table and two chairs. It is also used in the kitchen. Write K here. It is a pressure cooker. It is also used in the kitchen. Here also write K. This is a shower. It is used in the bathroom. So you write BR here. BR. These are utensils. That is plate, glass, cup, vessels and two spoons. It is used in the kitchen. So you write K here. It is a television. This is used in the living room. So please write L here. This is a bed. It is found in the bedroom. So write B here. This is a closet. It is found in the bathroom. So write BR here. It is a refrigerator or fridge. It is found in the kitchen. So you write K here. This is a wash basin. It is found in the bathroom. So write BR here. It is a mug and bucket. It is also found in the bathroom. So write BR here. This is a sofa. It is found in the living area. So you write L here. Now take the page number 25. Tick the things you do to keep your home clean. We do all the things given here to keep our home clean. So put a tick mark in the small box given below the pictures like this. Okay? Living room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, dining room. Today's homework. Rooms in a house. Rooms in a house. Bedroom, bedroom, bedroom. Bathroom, bathroom, bathroom. Kitchen, kitchen, kitchen. Living room, living, living room, room, living room. Dining hall, dining, dining hall. Rooms in a house: bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, dining hall. I hope all of you understood today's class. See you in the next class. Thank you.